how to deal with craving and guilt. Well, there's a way to do it. Now, I have people coming to me with a concern about how to deal with craving, and once they had something that they crave for, and then they have this overwhelming guilt. How do we deal with it? Let me give you a real quick tip that is really easy and you will get quite a good successful rate. Just imagine when you're craving for donuts, right? Donut is such a beautiful food and it's so sugary, so sweet, and the thought of that donut in your hand, taking into your mouth, that would trigger off the dopamine already. So you're feeling happy. But hang on a minute. Just think about after you have taken that donut. How do you feel? People will say to me, oh, I'll feel really guilty because it's just sugar overload. That's true. And I really shouldn't have had that. And donut is bad for me. And there's plenty of fat in it. Right. So next time when you're craving for something like that, that's just an example, right? Have that happy thought. Just remember that. Feel it. Then fast forward. Think about, just imagine that you already had that donut. And how do you feel? The guilt, all of the negative elements, a lot of fat, a lot of sugar, shouldn't really have that, that's bad for you. And what are you going to do? In real fact, you're going to walk past that donut. You're not going to raise your hand and take it and put it in your mouth. I bet that's what you will do, right? So, the reverse psychology will help you a lot in this case. So next time when you're craving for something, fast forward, think about that feeling after you already had that item. Okay? I hope that helps. So give me your comments below if you have any other issues that you would like me to answer or you want to tackle something with me. That would be great. I'd love to hear from you. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.